Hi, I am Teacher Paul. Today we are talking about insects. Are you ready? Let's go.
Look at this insect. It is a rhino beetle. Their babies are called larvae. Rhino beetles love to eat tree sap.
Look at this insect. It is a female bee. Only the female bees have stingers. Male bees are called drones. They are harmless. Look at this insect. It is a ladybug. They love to eat aphids or other insects. Look at this insect. It is a grasshopper. They love to eat corn, flowers, and weeds. Look at this insect. It is a giant weta. They are from New Zealand. Look at this insect. It is a fire ant. If they bite you, it will burn. So be careful. Look at this insect. It is a butterfly. Butterflies only drink liquid, the nectar of flowers. Look at this insect. It is a dragonfly. They love to eat mosquitoes, flies, and midges. Now it is your turn to practice. Click the link below. Goodbye.